the first thing, I'm going to move all of this stuff out of the way just so it's not mucking up our surface here as we need them. We're going to work with the lamb's ears first. So that is your Herrenhausen. Yes, Herrenhausen oregano. And then you also have, get those two out. And then you also have larkspur, blue larkspur. The larkspur is very delicate. They're very fragile. So we don't have a lot of that, but that provides this really bright blue color to give us a pop of color here and there. Visually pleasing when you're doing something like this. So I usually start with odd numbered groups, and then first we are going to moss in around your center layer.